To begin, so Mr. Gore, instead of posting a comment, I wanted to make a video in my YouTube account just to respond to this wonderful, amazing video. So, as I used to be a judgmental person that I was before I watched this video, I could have probably became one of those people who were just sitting in the back of their screens and judging her like she's ugly, she's gross, she's not desirable. I could have probably said that. But then I thought, who am I to judge? What being am I? I don't even know her and I would judge her like that. And to think that these people actually go online and search ugliest woman in the world just to make themselves feel good. That's just. And what disappoints me most of all are those people actually having the guts to comment and teaching you how to kill yourself. This is harsh. And why would they do that? They would actually encourage someone to kill themselves. What if I was them? I would. I was you. I could just feel the pain you felt. If yeah, I would have probably did the same thing, commented and reply in all of their comments and said, "What about you kill yourself? What if I told your mom? What if I told you to kill yourself? Would you actually like that?" It, I would be so mad at the world, but I'm happy that you you had you had the sense to actually realize and think that you would just sink down to their level and you would not be any different from them. And I'm really truly proud of you for doing that, and I'm proud of you for stopping and just feeling good about yourself and focusing on what is important, and that is your family, your friends, people who support. And this video really inspired me that to think twice before judging someone that I don't even know. And even though people keep saying that beauty is on the inside, but then that's just so hypocritical since they themselves also judge people by the outside. And I think we should all start judging people from the inside. And I made the effect on this video response like this because what if all of us look like this? Look this way, look like her. Wouldn't we judge a person who looks in a different manner? We would say that they look ugly. Our definition of beauty was just redefined all these years by media and other stuff, and it doesn't really matter because we're just judged. We can only be judged by one person, that is God, and to Him we're perfect. And I don't think we have the right to complain or to judge anyone else because we have to be content that we are granted our lives. And I hope that to you, Lissy, that you would continue inspiring other people, and despite all the criticism you have, I'm glad that you overcame that and realized that God is there beside you, and faith is really what you need to get past all of this. And I'm really touched by what you said, and from now on I will stop being a judgmental person and looking from within. That's all. Thank